How to kill tree and bush stumps naturally. After cutting down a tree or stump, the root system is still alive. It may die naturally due to shock, but in some cases, the decay process needs a helping hand. Using natural ways to kill stumps is safer for the rest of your garden and the earth. Things you will need: metal cans, plastic sheeting, axe or saw, rock salt, drill, boiling water. Cut the stump as close to the ground as possible. Using an axe or saw, score the top and side with cuts to speed up the natural decay process. Cover the stump with a can. This method works best with smaller tree stumps or bushes. After cutting the stump down, cover the stump with an old metal can to cut off light and oxygen. The can should be large enough to pound into the surrounding soil a few inches to anchor it. Use boiling water. Liberal doses of boiling water can kill just about anything by cooking it. The key is to get the boiling water into the root system to burn and prevent new growth. Try plastic sheeting for bigger stumps. Much like using cans for smaller stumps, covering a stump with plastic sheeting smothers the stump and stops sunlight from reaching it. After covering the stump with plastic, mulch or dirt may be mounted on top to hold the sheeting in place and camouflage the plastic. Speed up decay with salt. Drill holes in the stump on top and along the sides. Fill the holes with rock salt as a natural root killer. For smaller stumps, the salt may be poured directly over the wood in small mounds. Tips: warnings. It may take more than one attempt or treatment to effectively kill the stump. Be careful when pouring salt or boiling water over stumps as they can damage surrounding plants.